And
Okay. Hello, everyone. This is Marvin, and I have Jeff with me tonight. And this is a presentation for CIT270. Um, Let me just share my screen right here. Okay, so in this system security presentation, we're going to talk about web, how to crack the web, and the virtual private network, VPN. Our group members are Jeff Bryant, Govert Carreno, Adam Christensen, and myself, Marvin Enamorado. Jeff Bryant is presenting this time, and um, Jeff, so it is your time right now.
okay, great. Go ahead and share my screen here.
Yes.
And so you see that, is that coming up, the Linksys?
Yeah.
Okay. So what we attempted to do first was to install the access point and to try to crack the WEP key. So what we did, I first installed a Linksys router and converted it to an access point. So this was an old router I had, and the making it an access point worked fine. Then I changed it from WPA2 personal to WEP. Created a passphrase, break my WEP, generated that, and that came up with the keys. Then installed the Oracle VirtualBox, and then installed 64-bit Ubuntu desktop, and installed a program called aircrack-ng.
NT, yeah.
That. And then to get that running, I installed or ran part of that program called airmon-ng, and the problem we ran into is my NIC, or network interface card, is not compatible with that program, and I didn't have time to order one from Amazon or something like that. So attempted that on a couple of different computers, ran into the same problem, because it has to capture that interface of that NIC, and it could not pull it up because it was not compatible. So then we moved on to the next part of that project, since that one didn't work. So we researched a VPN. I had already used this one in the past with a customer, and it works good. It's a little bit slow because it's creating an encrypted tunnel across the internet using that virtual private network. And so really a hardware VPN works better. It's a little more secure, but this one is a really good option if you need to securely transfer some files across the internet in a program called TeamViewer, which a lot of you have probably heard of, but you might not know there was a VPN function available in there. So you basically go to options under extras, go to advanced, show more options, and go down about towards the bottom, and you would install the VPN driver. It's already installed here, so my option is uninstall. Well, we don't want to do that. So basically, I've already started so basically I'm connecting to my other computer. You would choose VPN and connect to partner. Already have it up. You can see the IP address of myself and my partner. We can do a test ping, which is getting a reply. So it's a good connection. That's to test your connection. Then you would click share files via Explorer. Already done that. And so now I can copy a file over to my other computer. The temp folder. Slow, so I'm on the same network, but check that. Can minimize that, and we'll just do a remote session now and check that. Let's see. It says we already have a VPN connection. Are you sure you want to connect remotely? Yes. So I'm looking at my other computer. There's the VPN temp, and there's the file I copied over. So it's a good option. If you're doing it non-commercial, it's free. If you're going to try to do it commercially, it does cost a little bit of money. It's about, the last time I checked, it's about $800 and something, $850, I believe, for a license. But if you're working with a company, they should purchase that for you. That is an option. This has been a fun project, a little bit of work, but we've learned some things, and we appreciate your time and viewing our presentation. Hope you have a blessed night.
All right. Thank you, Jeff. All right. Great. All done.